Good morning, everyone. We are on Facebook Live and we are ready to open the content. Let me call on our District Director, Anne Margaret Danga, to formally open this international speech contest.
As the District 75 District Director, I now declare this online speech contest for international speech category open.
Good morning, everyone. Let us have a minute of silence. Let's have this minute of silence to reflect on the solidarity for our brothers and sisters in this time of crisis. Fellow Toastmasters, let us join in the Toastmasters promise. The Toastmasters promise. As a member of Toastmasters International, my club, I promise to attend club meetings regularly, to prepare all of my projects to the best of my ability, basing them on the Toastmasters education program, to prepare for and fulfill meeting assignments, to provide fellow members with helpful, constructive evaluations, to help the club maintain a positive, friendly environment necessary for all members to learn and grow, to serve my club as an officer when called upon to do so, to treat my fellow club members and our guests with respect and courtesy, to bring guests to club meetings so they can see the benefits of Toastmasters membership offers, to adhere to the guidelines and rules for all Toastmasters education and recognition programs, to act within the Toastmasters core values of integrity, respect, service, and excellence during the conduct of all Toastmasters activities. Good morning, everyone, and I'd like to introduce the Toastmaster of the day, Toastmaster Mark Escay, District 75 Admin Manager. Toastmaster Mark, the floor is yours.
Good morning, fellow Toastmasters. I'm sure you're not here to enjoy me and coffee in this living room. You're here to see the best out of 13 divisions pitted up together this morning for the International Speech Contest. Now, grab your coffee, enjoy your snack, sit back and relax, and let these 13 contestants take you on a magical journey through their speeches. To begin this morning, I'd like to call on our District 75 Director, Anne Dana, for welcoming remarks.
Thank you very much to our Toastmaster of the Day and Admin Manager, Mark Escay. It was one of my ECQ mornings when I received this beautiful message from a fellow Toastmaster. And that really made my day. It was not a message from my boyfriend, Mike De La Cruz, because he would message me earlier. I received this message around 9 o'clock from a fellow Toastmaster whom I meet during speech contests and district events. It was a message that I received from Toastmaster Orly Dugo. And that message that he sent left a mark on my heart, that I shared it to my district council. He simply thanked the district for pursuing speech contest online. And that simple message pushed me to pursue our dreams, our plans for the district. A pleasant morning to our district leaders, fellow Toastmasters, friends, and guests. Today is the 1st of May, wherein District 75 will be part of the Toastmasters history in conducting their online speech contest. Today, we will be witnessing the 13 division contestants competing for the international speech category, with the one winner to represent District 75 in the region quarterfinals. You know, May 1 is not only the day for our division contestants, but I would say that this is also for our courageous and dedicated servant leaders, and I would like to honor them. These are the people who helped in organizing this momentous event. So led by our Program Quality Director, Marilyn Legaspi, together with our Club Growth Director, Richard John Pajo, the members of the District Council, the Division and Area Directors, and of course, the Reliable Online Contest Committee with Neb Perez, Marcus Kai, Franklin Rios, the technical team, Sarah Dickman, Jamil Primo, Nathan Ramos, guided by past district governor Katina Letargo and past international director Christine Cambise. My heartfelt gratitude for all your hard work and dedication to the district. These people have worked tirelessly, some with sleepless nights, and tried to manage their temper. Thank you for being patient in putting this up together. You see, this team and the 13 division contestants have a common denominator. They never give up. And that is a trait of a true champion. In the middle of this COVID era we are all into, some would just throw in negativity, who will try to crush your hopes and dreams. But a champion will always stand up and continue to fight. A champion will pursue his dreams because he has a vision and a heart to live. Fellow Toastmasters, all of us are champions in our own battles. We fight a good fight and we never give up. So to all of our contestants and the speech organizers, good luck. Enjoy this online speech contest. And to District 75, we are not only one for the district, we are all one of the champions. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. We are having a little bit of technical difficulty. Please forgive us for maybe a couple of minutes, and our Toastmaster of the day will be back. In the meantime, take this time to go on a break because once the contest starts, we will have 13 contestants running one after the other. Thank you for your patience, and we will be resuming the contest soon. And we are back. I think all the judges are present. We can proceed with our contest. Toastmaster Mark, Toastmaster of the day, we can do this now.
Good morning, fellow Toastmasters. Just a reminder for everyone about the upcoming council meeting later this afternoon. Please ensure that you have registered if you're a voting member as we wait for the final participants to enter into this Zoom meeting. As this is such a special event, while we're waiting for everyone to come in, this is the perfect opportunity to broadcast this live through all of your social media channels. We're broadcasting live on the District 75 page and also the group. Feel free to share this to your international friends and also other Toastmasters around the Philippines. I believe Division L has, Division C and K have started sharing. And let's check out. I'd like to acknowledge our distinguished guests that are present here. We have distinguished Toastmaster Johnny Uy, our past international president. We have several past international directors here. International Director Elisa Tai is also present. We have our division directors that are present here. Franklin Rios, I see Remy Ibay, Tisha Timbang. We also have our first female past division governor, Baby Luat, present in the audience as well. Welcome and good morning. We also have the trio that's present. Good morning, Didi Ann, PQD, Marilyn Legaspi, and Club Growth Director, Richard Cuojo, that's present. And also various area directors that are present this morning, and to all of our past district officers. A pleasant morning to all of you. Division A Director Vanjie Pascual is also here. Division B, Leah Texon. C, Chinchin Malaka. Division D is also present here. Division Director Mel Cisles. I believe also Division Director E, Maiko Aparocho is present. In Division K, Eds Gascon is present as well. And I have the go signal from the team that we're all ready to begin. I give control of the proceedings to our contest master, Marilyn Legaspi.
Hello, District 75. A pleasant day to everyone. This is the time we are all excited about, our first district online speech contest. Toastmasters International recognizes and supports speech contests. These contests provide an opportunity for Toastmasters to gain speaking experience, as well as an opportunity for other Toastmasters to learn by observing proficient speakers. To be eligible to compete in the contest, the contestant must be in good standing of a club in good standing. In addition, to be eligible to compete in this international speech contest, the contestant must have completed 6 speech projects in the Competent Communication Manual or earned certificates of completion in levels 1 and 2 of any path in Toastmasters Pathways learning experience. We have 13 contestants representing 13 divisions of District 75. We also have the orientation of all the functionaries. We have the contestants briefing as well as the Honorable Board of Judges briefing. International speech must be in 5 to 7 minutes. Contestant will be disqualified if the speech is less than 4 minutes, 30 seconds, or more than 7 minutes, 30 seconds. When the speaker reaches 5 minutes, the green color will be shown on the screen. At 6 minutes, the yellow color. At 7, the red. Speaking order of the contestants were drawn ahead of time. There will be a minute of silence for each contestant has finished his or her speech. This is the time for the Honorable Board of Judges to fill out their ballots. Fellow Toastmasters and leaders of District 75, we give a thunderous applause to all the contestants, 13 contestants. Contestants are ready. Judges are ready. The audience and in attendance are ready. Let the contest begin.